How to change WhatsApp business account into personal account. So if you want to change your WhatsApp into personal account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp business account and make sure that you've backed up all of your chats. After opening your WhatsApp business, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, go with your settings, go with chats, and under chats, you need to go and back up all of your chats. Once you backed up your chats, the next thing you need to do is just simply go and uninstall your WhatsApp business. After uninstalling your WhatsApp business, you need to open up your Play Store and search for WhatsApp, download WhatsApp. After downloading your WhatsApp Messenger, you need to go with Open and log into WhatsApp with your same number that you've used on your WhatsApp business. And it will ask you that if you want to switch to your WhatsApp Messenger from your WhatsApp business. And once you switch, it will delete all of your information like your catalog and items, the greetings and away messages, the labels and everything. So you just need to simply go with switch. And once you tap on switch, you'll be able to change your WhatsApp business account into your personal account. So it was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.